What's up, guys? As you can see, I've been relaxing a lot. That's why I'm sitting here still. So I decided to make a new video to show you some really cool stuff. So let's get started here. Right. There's a little flag there. As you can see, the big sea here. Maybe there has been fishes there. And here's a nice table. That's just it. So let's go outside and take a look. Everything just growing here, so I have to bend down everywhere. There's something right there. Looks like a, what is called in English, a vest, so you don't drown in the water. You know what I mean. Look at that. Amazing sea, it's big. I wonder what there is down in the water. Maybe a dead body from the guy who lived here, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Oh. What's up? What about my new camera? What do you think? I think it's cool. Oh, check this out, guys. Abandoned sea. Alright, let's go to a house now. There was a little house, fisher house. This is just in a big forest. Try to look around. Trees everywhere. But there's still life out here, as you can see. Alright, let me walk a little bit up to the house. I'm not alone today, guys. There's birds here. As you can hear, I can hear them. I'm excited how this video will look with the new camera. And to people who are interested what it is, it's a Sony A6000. So, look there. Here's a beautiful tree with flowers. I don't know what it's called even. Look at the big trees, guys. Everything is just growing. And there's the house. Nice house. So, what's up, guys? I have been long time away. It's a little holiday for me. Alright. Let's see. Oh, can you hear that bike or car? Damn, everything's just growing here. Go here. Oh, in the big jungle. Oh shit. Some flower stuff. And a badminton catcher. I don't know if it's catcher, but that's how it is in Danish. Newspapers. 1997. Here's some chairs too. I think I'll start in there first, in the big barn. But there's the house. You can just see how it's growing, the nature. Alright, let's go inside here to take a look. As you can see. Oh, this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, what I do? Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, it's open. Oh, this is big. And there's still some food to the horses, or what they have in here. What they had in here. I'm sorry. And something Christmas stuff. And some chairs too. La 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 la. Nobody's here, I'm all alone, don't be scared. Old couch. And look how it was made. With this. Can't believe that. Alright, let's go to take a look. I'm looking around, looking for some nice stuff. Is there something cold in here? Whoa. I had the same like this before, where I lived before. What is this thing? Does look weird. Look at this old thing here. And there's something down there too. Old sink. Oh, that's so quiet here, guys. Whoa. This is nice. Really, really old. I wonder what animals there was in here. Maybe there was horses, cows, pigs, I don't know. I'm not so clever about that. It's empty down there. I saw a stair right there. But there's also a stair there. You just see. Damn, it's long time ago I've been places like this and record. Check this out, guys. Right, I'll go up there now. What's up, guys? Are you already up here? Shit. Wait at me, man. Don't run. Let's see what's in here. I've seen this before. A place. I don't remember where. I've been so many places. Oh. What is this? It's down to where we was before. Let's go. Oh. It's small in here. What animals have there been in here? Maybe pigs. I don't know, chickens. What's down here? Oh, look. Ugh. My big arms can't get in here. Let's see. Here's some papers. Some stuff. Where are we now, guys? We can look here. We are right here. Right. Let's go up here again to check the west. It's cool up here. Damn. There've been some birds here too. Maybe I'll see a bird, anything. Oh, is it a hole there? Okay, shit. I have to watch my step up here. There was an elevator here. It was a farmer that has his own company running some stuff here. There's a hat. Weird little room. Here's a room too down there. And this is old one. Old and rusty. Oh. It's a big place, guys. Now you know. Oh, it's just this nothing down there. Whoop. It's a nice place. There was even the sign in here too. Hello? Hello? There is someone outside, guys. I have to see. I just heard footsteps. It was like there was someone behind the corner. Some footsteps, you know. I have walked around the house. There was nobody. So fuck it. Let's go explore the rest. Sound really like a person around the corner. Here's a boat. Maybe to the sea around there. Over the house and back in the forest. What is this old thing? It's just old stuff. Check this, guys. And the table there. How it's designed. I hope there isn't anybody in the house. See how small it is. Nice house. Right, we'll start in the end over here. There's some Coca-Cola bottle. Abandoned Coca-Cola bottle. Right, we are going in. There's been something here. Not police, but anything else. Alright guys, Oh, I got a message. Hello Casper, what are you doing? As you can see, there's a Christmas tree right there. Plastic. Still working. There's a sink right there. Here's also a little room in here. There's some shoes there. Let's open and check this. Maybe it's that dead body or something. There's nothing down there. But the people who lived here like to, I think they was growing fruits and greens, stuff like that. I think there was. There's an umbrella too. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. This is to meat. There's clothes, different type of clothes. Some kitchen stuff too. Oh. That's maybe the seer with the boat. Creepy. Whoa. There's some play cards too. Here was a little kitchen to cut your bread right there. But the sink is there. I can't get over there. But there's just trees in there to fire up. Damn, it's old toilet with green walls. You can see the design. And this is old sink too. Oh shit. Here was a little room to store all your kitchen stuff, kitchen's food. And a fridge. Here's also a kitchen. There was working many people here back in the days. So they need to have a good kitchen. Oh, I remember this lamp. It's not old, guys. Look at the walls. Some idiots have destroyed the oven right there. Also there. It's creepy to be back again, guys. Oh, we just saw that in the barn. Check the sign on the roof there. It's nice. Nice picture. And here was the dinner place to eat your food. Here's still some napkins, servietten. It stands on 3 different languages, made in Sweden. So yeah, it's nice. Wonderful. Here was some nice stuff in here too. It's like being home with me. I'm sitting right there and editing the video. This looks like Donald Trump. Sup, Donald? This is empty, I guess it is. There's still some plates there. They are totally dark. Oh, I got a spider on me or something. Look where I'm standing. I'm just standing in the middle in the house. Oh, this is nice. Homemade, I guess. Whoa. There's a room down there. There's an outdoor place. This. They have blocked the window there. Whoops. There's a broken blood bottle right there. It's wet walls. Oh, I think this was a place where you was drinking some alcohol. And this was a place to store it. in this fridge. And look at there, this has been an expensive cognac. There's still some right there. Nice. It was a little lounge. Maybe an ashtray to this. Damn, it was a nice place back in the days. And yeah, it's sad that it has been abandoned. It ended up looking like this. But this is life, you know. This is their names, Paul and Lisbeth. Homemade. I think it's their names, I don't know, but I guess it is. I think since all the chairs is here was a dining room too. And there's a window right there. Just here. What up, man? Casper explores right here. As you can see, I'm inside a house. There's a lamp there, a lamp head. It's matched to the big couch we just saw. Red and the design down there. Right. Is there a ghost? Can you see something? No, there isn't. This is a nice place. Oh. Where am I? Shit. Damn. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, we are exploring. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go. I just fall asleep, man. I was forgetting that. I just take a break in the chair. It was a nice chair. Most of the old furnitures and couches you sit better in them in the new one. You feel me? Oh, it's a nice place, nice there. Look, it's just so big right here. Here was the rooms. There's so much clothes up here. Clothes or what it is. Books, shoes. Designed in the walls. Nice. Is that a ball? Little ball. Also a shoe there. Whoa. This is a nice bedroom. Is that champagne or what? Looks like that. Wine. White wine. I think to wake up to this every morning, guys. You just walk out here on your balcony. And just stand here to take a look. Okay, there are some other people here. I heard something. Like they was moving something. It's medicine. Nitroglycerin. A nice bedroom. Witch. And some Christmas stuff. Shoes. Freeze. This is the police. And yeah, it's freeze. Everything stopped. There's some medicine there too. What is this, guys? Cocaine. No, it's this. Oh, it's an old juggy. This is the medicine. Shit, here. They had a lot here. Here's so much stuff. Look at this old thing, man. It has been cut right there. Denmark. What is this? Let me open it. Oh, Denmark empty. I think there's a secret door here. Oh, we have to open this. Alright, let's see. There is a secret door here. Let's see. There's still food there, guys. A lot of food. And some plate. Nice. Books. Everything. Let me go deep in here. Oh. It's dark in here. It's just so much stuff to the bed. I don't know what it's called in English. And a toaster. Denmark. Nice chairs too. See, there was a lot of the chairs right there. Maybe some old beers. No. Citron. Citron. Oh, it's nasty. Oh. It's freezing in time, guys. Oh, we can go up there too. Oh. It's just down. I don't think there's some stuff there. We was down there at the start, as you remember. Oh, here's a bottle. Look how they were so small back in the days. that they could walk there without bending down. I have to bend down when I want to go down there. So, there goes us, guys. It's fun and creepy when you guys tell that you see something. Oh, homemade Christmas stuff. Look at the walls. So nice. And the beds. There was a bed there. And that was little brother. That was big brother. Look at my much. They was drinking also. Phew, I'm drunk. I have to sleep, guys. Oh, so many games. Check this out, man. A big bottle. Wine. Table wine. There's a jacket there. Nice. Oh, it's moving. Ghost. Huh. Oh, some food too. Look, it's really old now. Your stomach will hurt maybe if you eat it, I don't know. Let's give it a try. You want to come home to me to some dinner? I got some special food for you. Alright, I don't know if this is safe. Look, here. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. Don't crack, don't crack, don't crack, don't crack. Don't crack, don't crack, don't crack. Alright guys, that was the house. As you can see, we finished now. And I'm just taking a little break now, enjoying the view. So, yeah. I guess we'll see each other in the next video. I'll try to be fast, but yeah. So, but stay tuned guys, and have a nice day. Peace.